Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 14. It is 2 p.m. and here, let me show you guys. See? 2 p.m. and I just ate breakfast because I was sleeping all day. I woke up like at 12:30. So that's my life. If I knew what I was going to do this week, I would have been like packing already and making a list, checking it twice, making sure I don't forget something that I want to take to Colorado and all of that. But I don't even know if I'm going to Colorado anymore. Like, what do I do? Should I just go? Should I just risk it? What do I do? If you guys watched Vlogmas day 13, you guys know what I'm talking about. Because my mom was really excited to see me and I was excited to see her and, well, my whole family. And now, like, I don't know what to do. I just feel stressed. Like, I went from being stressed from finals to being stressed about this. Anyways, right now I want to do my makeup for no reason. I'm not gonna do anything today. I want to do a multi-random palette bingo again, so that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm probably gonna do my makeup in the living room. Before I do that, I want to show you guys the e-card of the day. And so today is December 14 and today is actually my dad's birthday, which sucks too because I didn't send him a gift card or a birthday card. And then plus I thought I was going to be in Colorado this Friday or Saturday, and so I'm like, I'll just go celebrate with him and buy him something that he wants. I feel like a failure right now. I didn't even get my dad nothing for his birthday. Okay, so anyways, today's December 14 and it says, it's cold enough outside that I was genuinely thrilled to arrive at work. That's funny. Oh, and if I look darker today, it's because I'm using the Infallible foundation, the 24-hour fresh wear in the shade 470 Radiant Honey. And I would usually get the shade 460 or 465, I don't remember. And I don't know, I feel like I look a little bit darker, like I look tanned. Okay, anyways, I'm going to choose a palette. Profusion Bold. Okay, for a second I didn't remember what Profusion Bold was, but this palette was given to me by my friend Nat from Little Miss Nat. I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description box so you guys could go check her out. Okay, so let's get the other palette now. Violet Voss Essentials 2. Okay, so it looks like we already have our two palettes. So I'll get those palettes and I'll be right back. Wow, you have hair now. Hello. Pobrecito. Okay, so now I'm going to... Here are the two palettes that I'm going to play with today. The Violet Voss Essentials 2. And then the Profusion Bold palette. And this palette... Here's Bimbo. Bimbo wants to say hi too. Hi guys. Hi. Okay. Every time I sit on the floor, they want to be annoying. Okay, so anyways, this palette right here, I got it as a gift for my birthday for my friend Nat, Little Miss Nat. So thank you so much, Nat. I really like this palette. Go check her out if you guys haven't. Her YouTube channel will be linked in the description box. So anyways, this palette has 9 shades. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. And this palette actually reminds me of like Halloween because of the purple and the black. But it's really pretty and I really like it. Okay, so in my random number generator from Google, I'm going to put 1 through 9. And I'm going to generate 3 shades or 3 numbers. So I got 4, 5, and 9. So 4 would be this gold shade right there. And 5 is this like pinky shade. It's really pretty. And then 9, of course I would get black again. Now I'm going to be getting 3 shades from the Violet Voss Essentials palette. And this one I got it in my BoxyCharm. So anyways, this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. Beautiful. So, okay, so this palette has 10 shades. So I'm going to put 1 through 10 in my random number generator. And I'm going to get 3 numbers. So I got 10, 5, and 9. 10, 5, 9. So 10 is down here and this one is copper. And then 5 is bronze. This one right here. And then 9 is blue sky. This pretty blue right here. Hopefully I could create something pretty with this. And I got 3 mattes, and one is pink, one's black, and the other one's blue, and the rest of them are shimmers. I'm using my phone to light the shadows so you guys can see them better. And as you can see, that's what they look like. Anyways, before I begin, I am going to be priming my eyes with a NYX pigment primer. And I'm going to be doing this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I changed the camera a little bit, so hopefully the lighting's better. Anyways, I am back. I already primed my eyes and I did set it, and I used this white shadow to set it from the Profusion palette. I think I'm going to begin with this shadow right here, this pink one, which is this one right there. And I'm going to be putting that all over my crease. Hopefully I could do a good job because it's a little dark in here actually. I was going to do the eye look outside, but since the people are outside, I didn't want to feel awkward. This pink is really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, now I think I'm going into this blue shadow right there, and I'm going to put that, I think, on most of my lid. This is a very pretty blue. So now that I have the blue and the pink there, kind of looking weird, I'm going to apply the black in my outer V from the Bold palette, which is this black. Okay, now that I have the black right there, I'm going to put the pink again, just to blend out that black. Hopefully it doesn't become a disaster. So I feel like this is a bad idea to do my eyes right here because it's kind of hard. I'm going to put a little bit of the blue, blend into that black. Now I'm going to be applying glitter primer, the NYX glitter primer. I think I'm going to put the gold in this inner part of my eye. Try to mix the blue and the shimmer together. I'm going to put glitter primer again, and I'm going to put it like this, like a circle, like a rainbow or something, I don't know. And now I'm going into copper, this one right there, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put it right there where I put the glitter primer right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, I changed locations because it was getting too dark in the living room and I'm blind, so I can't see, obviously. So anyways, now I'm going to apply my inner corner shade, and for my inner corner, I'm going to apply this shade right here, and it is called Bronze from the Violet Voss palette, this one right there. I'm thinking of putting maybe the pink on the lower lash line. I might put the pink on the lower lash line. This one right there. And then I'm going back to the black just a little bit to retouch this area. I already used all of these shadows, so I think I'm going to be applying eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. The eyeliner that I'm wearing is the Isadora Glossy Eyeliner. And for mascara, I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And for lower lashes, I'm using the Ulta Beauty New Heights Lifting Mascara. So that's that. And well, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute, but it's not my favorite look either. So anyways, I did use all 6 shadows. So anyways, let me know if you guys have tried any of these 2 palettes and what do you guys think of them. For lips, I am wearing a lip gloss. I am using the Hikari lip gloss. I did put in the center this Ulta Beauty Glitter Lip Topper. So if it looks like extra shinier, that is why. Gosh, my hair gets really tangled now. Like it's too long, so I need to do something about it already. I need to cut it. Let me go connect my Christmas lights. It's dark. The neighbor's outside. I'm gonna warm up the chicken soup because my boyfriend wants chicken soup. I might just open the advent calendar right now since I don't have anything else to do. Okay, bye-byes. Get me, gordito. Okay, so here is my Harry Potter advent calendar. And we are on day 14 today. Okay, so 14 is up here in the top. So let's see, what did we get today? This calendar is like cheaply made, like the box. So this time we got another notebook, and this one is a Gryffindor little notebook, and it's super cute. And it is a regular lined paper like the other ones. So yeah, I'm going to be keeping these because you guys already know I love little notebooks. I think I'm going to open the Harry Children's advent calendar as well. Let's do that. And I'm going to open day 12 for them because I didn't open it yesterday, or day 12. So this is going to be Bartolo's, and he gets 3 biscuits. They're just like little round ones. Okay. Now I'm going to open Bimbo's. I give him 1 little biscuit at a time. Okay, pues aquí está el tuyo. He also has the same thing. Here you go. Good boy. And that's it. Good boy. Where did Bimbo go? Yeah, yeah. Bimbo literally went outside to eat his candy. Despacito. Okay. Good. Eat it slow, son. Despacito, despacito. Good boy. ¿Tú ya acabaste los tuyos, papás? Did you guys hear that? Bartolo just burped. Alright, so when I said I don't have anything to do, I meant more like I don't want to fold my laundry. I have to fold all this. And I just washed that yesterday and that too, and I just got it out of the dryer. This one. And most of the mess right here is just sweaters. And for 2 weeks I didn't fold any of my clothes because I was in school. But now I have time. Wish me luck. Hopefully I could do this like in 10 minutes or less. We'll see. I'm not gonna show you guys when I'm folding and all of that because it's just boring. Okay, so it took me longer than 10 minutes. It took me about 20 minutes and I already folded everything. I just need to put stuff away. I did already put a bunch of stuff away, like my boyfriend's shirts and all of that. So I just gotta finish putting this stuff away and then all of my stuff. These are my Coca-Cola PJs that my cousin gave me last year. And these are my other Coca-Cola PJs. If I do anything fun, I'll show you guys, but I really doubt it.